Hello everyone, welcome. Here I am to explain a new topic to you. Before that, let me share some newspaper clippings with all of you. Yes, you can see it. Hasina government irked over Shah infiltration remark. Now, the next one. RTC employees arrested as 131 cases booked. One more clipping I would like to show. Book on traditional foods, nutritional security released. Yes, I have used verbs like it, released, arrested, all these. They have ended in ed. Now, once it ends in ed, we make it so easy for us that we say it's in the past tense. But remember, it's not always so. We have something called the past participle form of the verb. And if you have noticed, it just uses the word released, booked, words like that. It does not say who has done it. Then what does this indicate to you? It tells you that the action is more important, not the doer. So when the doer is not important, action is so important. What is it called in English? In English, it is called as passive voice. So we have two voice. One is active, the other is passive. Now, let me share something with you here. It's understood, as I told you, that the doer is active in the active voice. In the passive voice, the doer is passive. And I said action is active in the passive voice, like released, right? Booked, irked, arrested, all these are active. The action is understood. You know very well, it's only the police who can arrest. None of us can do it. And one more example, let us go on to the boy hit the dog. What is the verb there? Hit. Who hit? The boy. So that forms the subject. What did the boy do? The boy hit the dog. That is the object. Verb plus object gives you predicate. The boy becomes the subject. Wondering why I'm going to subject and predicate? Because to do active and passive, you have to understand the basic foundation. Foundation is very important. So subject plus predicate. A predicate consists of verb plus an object, or sometimes it could be the complement. Now let's move on to the last slide thing that I would like to share. Here, I have said active and passive continue. But the bird flies. If at all you see this sentence, the bird is the noun, the is an article, both together is the subject. What does the bird do? It flies. Now flies is the verb, after which there is nothing. It's a grammatically correct sentence, which means to say there is no object there. See the second one. The sun rises in the east. Rise is the verb. What rises? The sun. Where? In the east. Again, it's a grammatically correct sentence. Both of them do not have an object. The action does not pass on from the subject to the object. They are complete in their meaning. Such a verb where the object is the accent is called intransitive verb. I-N-T-R-A-N-S-I-T-I-V-E. Intransitive verb. Now, let us go on to the first example only, which I did it for you. The boy hit a ball, I said. Okay, it's fine. Now, the boy is subject. Hit is the verb. A ball is object. Now, verb plus object gives you the predicate. Now, the boy is the subject. If you're seeing, the action of the boy passes from the boy to the ball. So, therefore, it has an object. Hit what? It answers what? Hit what? Hit the ball. So, when the object is there, when the verb has an object, such a verb is called by the term transitive. Transitive. So when you want to change from active to passive, the most important aspect is the verb must be transitive. So very interesting, and I leave you at this point because let me continue further to make it more interesting. Welcome. Thank you so much.